What's up? I'm Justin. Welcome to Don't Disappoint Your Parents. I'm filming this episode right now because I just wanted to have something sweet. So, let's get cooking. Today we're going to make some brown butter mochi brownies. To do that, we're going to start by making some brown butter. In a small pan, add 5 tablespoons of butter. Let that melt and stir frequently to make sure everything browns evenly. Once you see the milk solids start to toast and turn a golden brown color, remove the pan from the heat and pour the butter into a bowl. In a medium bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of glutinous rice flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix this together until evenly combined and add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of instant coffee or espresso powder. I unfortunately forgot to film the coffee part, but do it. Next, in a large bowl, we're going to add the brown butter. Make sure you get all the golden brown settlement in the bottom of the bowl because that's where all the flavor is. Along with our butter goes 2 eggs, 1.5 cups of milk or almond milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix all the wet ingredients together. I'd also suggest that you add the butter last, otherwise it might start to solidify from the cold ingredients like mine kinda did. I'm not perfect, but it's okay, it still works perfectly fine. Add in your dry ingredients and mix until well combined. Pour the batter into a well-greased parchment paper lined cake pan. Don't skip on the parchment and the grease. As you can imagine, mochi brownies are going to be super sticky, so the parchment is necessary to get everything out smoothly. Bake the mochi brownies in a preheated 350-degree oven for an hour until you know it's not completely liquid. Once the brownie is cooked, take it out and let it cool in the pan for 5 minutes before running a knife along the edges of the pan and turning the brownie out onto a cutting board. Let the brownie cool and set completely, about 30 minutes. Now, I was kinda impatient and just decided to cut into it while it was still hot. So it wasn't quite completely set, as you could see on my knife, but that's natural and perfectly fine if you want to do it that way. These brownies are great. They're like brownies with a twist. Chocolatey, but with that extra gooey chewiness that makes it super special. These are quickly becoming my favorite desserts. I like to serve them a little bit warm with some vanilla ice cream or just eat them as a snack. They're truly amazing. Jamie, get over here. For you today, we have mochi brownies. I know you like chocolate and brownies, so have some.
I love chocolate. Look at this stretchy mochi texture.
It's chewy.
Not too sweet. You can't really go wrong with chocolate, so very yummy. I kind of like cakey brownies, like the Betty Crocker ones.
You suck. Get off my show. They're delicious. Don't listen to her. She doesn't know what she's talking about.
I think I'm the judge.